Hey guys, if you love your penis, and let's be honest, who doesn't, then this video might just save your sex life, your confidence, and maybe even your overall health. Today, I'm sharing the 10 things you should never do to your penis. Some of these might surprise you. Others could prevent serious long-term damage. And number 10, that one's a game changer. Before we dive in, just a quick ask. If you've ever watched one of my videos or learned something valuable from this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Only about 20% of you are subscribed, and I'd love to keep bringing you real, reliable, and sometimes life-saving info right to your feed. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, don't ignore your penis. Your penis isn't just about sex. It's actually one of the first places your body shows signs of health issues, especially when it comes to blood flow, hormones, and stress. If you're having trouble getting or keeping an erection, don't just brush it off. Erectile dysfunction can be a warning sign of heart disease or diabetes. In fact, about 14% of men with ED will have a heart attack within 7 years. So yeah, it's that serious. Strong, regular erections are a sign that your body and mind are in a good place. Pay attention. Number 2, don't DIY penis fixes. Please don't try to fix penis problems with sketchy internet hacks. I've seen guys pour apple cider vinegar on themselves, try homemade jelqing routines, or even get objects like bottle rings stuck around their penis. It's dangerous, it's painful, and some of that damage is permanent. One guy used a construction nut as a DIY cock ring and ended up in the ER. We needed the fire department saw to get it off. If you're looking for support, go with safe, medical-grade options. Don't risk your future trying to go viral with your junk. Number 3, keep it clean, but not too clean. Hygiene is crucial. Especially if you have a foreskin, make sure to pull it back and clean underneath. But here's the key. Don't overdo it. Strong soaps, scented gels, or aggressive scrubbing can actually cause irritation or even microcuts. Gentle soap, warm water, and a soft towel will do the trick. And if you can't pull your foreskin back at all, that's a medical issue. Talk to your doctor. There are solutions. Number 4, don't ignore pain, bumps, or ulcers. If you feel pain, see a bump, or notice something unusual, get it checked out. It could be an STI, a urinary tract infection, or in very rare cases, even penile cancer. I know it's awkward to talk about, but believe me, urologists have seen it all. Don't let fear delay your treatment. Waiting too long can lead to surgery, disfigurement, or worse. Number 5, practice safe and controlled sex. Let me say this clearly. Safe sex is sexy. When you're not stressing about infections or pregnancy, you can be totally present and confident in the moment. Find condoms that work for you. And always use lube. Lube reduces friction, prevents tearing, and makes things way more enjoyable. Also, control the rhythm and angle during sex. One wrong move and you could suffer a penile fracture. Yes, that's real. You'll hear a pop, feel immediate pain, and it'll swell up like an eggplant. If that happens, straight to the ER. Number 6, don't overheat your testicles. Your testicles need to stay cool to produce healthy sperm and maintain testosterone. So avoid hot tubs, steam rooms, and placing laptops directly on your lap. Even your phone, keep it in your back pocket, not your front. Too much heat for too long can reduce fertility and impact hormone levels. Number 7, don't use the death grip. When you masturbate with a super tight grip, your body adapts. Over time, it becomes harder to enjoy sex with a partner because you've conditioned your body to something unnatural. Use a lighter touch, add lube, and aim to mimic sensations you'd experience during partnered intimacy. Solo pleasure should feel good, but it should also support healthy sexual function. Number 8, don't smoke. It destroys erections. Want to keep your erection strong? Don't smoke. Nicotine and tobacco damage your vessels and reduce circulation, especially to your penis. It also raises your risk for bladder and penile cancer. Live a healthy lifestyle, eat well, exercise regularly, and cut back on alcohol or other drugs. Your penis will thank you. Number 9, don't be so hard on yourself. Sexual performance anxiety is real, and it's brutal. One bad experience in bed can spiral into full-blown stress, and that stress only makes things worse. You deserve grace and understanding from yourself and your partner. Penis function fluctuates. One off night doesn't define you. Don't let shame sabotage your confidence or your relationships. And if it's getting to you, talk to someone. You don't have to go through it alone. Number 10, use it or lose it. Yes, this one's true. Your penis needs regular blood flow to stay healthy. At night, you should be getting 3 to 5 erections during sleep. That's your body's natural way of keeping everything working. If you stop getting erections, whether from stress, aging, or lack of sexual activity, your tissue could start shrinking or forming scar tissue. Also, if you avoid sex long enough, your body might lower your libido on its own. Sex and intimacy are vital, physically, emotionally, and relationally. Don't let it fade away quietly. All right, guys, there you have it. 10 things you should never do to your penis. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Let's spread real knowledge and make men's health something we actually talk about. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, and remember, you're absolutely worth it.